favorite space-saving devices is this clamp by Utebit. Utebit? Utebit? I'm not quite sure how it's said. It just is a really strong, really useful clamp. It can open up super wide. It can clamp onto something flat. I just have it clamped onto my bookshelves next to my workspace. And this especially, the thread mount is adjustable, so you can turn your device any way you want, clamp it nice and tight, and it will hold. You can see that it's got 3 different places to mount things. So you could mount more than one thing. You could mount this whole thing on a pole, put a light here, and put an extra camera here. You can see that it's got a curve on both sides of these holders so that as you screw it in, it can hold onto a round thing, like a pole, the front of your tripod. So I have this attached to my bookshelf, and then I can rotate my light to whatever angle I need it to be at and make it nice and tight. It's super space saving if you don't have a lot of floor space to put up a whole bunch of tripods.